All right, I've been posting a bunch of teasers of this car, so a lot of people kind of want to know what's going on with it. So we're just going to do a real quick walkthrough of what we got going on. As you can see, so far we fitted an EVO 1 body kit. The customer was a big fan of my car, so he wants to build something just about as wild, but keep it a little more subtle and more of a sort of sleeper car. So far what we've done, Brett and Spencer have been working on getting the kit fitted, dialed in. It's needed a bunch of little fine tuning, so we're kind of working on that. And then that'll give us all sort of the confines that we got to work to so that we can work on our motor swap, drivetrain swap, because pretty much all of that stuff's going. The intent for this particular car, which the purists are going to really love, because I'm going to put a Mercedes power plant in this one. This one's going to be getting a Mercedes M113 supercharged motor out of a SL55 donor car that we had got. We'll be doing the subframe, brakes, so it's going to be a complete retrofit. But like I say, right now we're just sort of locking in all of our constraints as far as space and where we're going to start putting things. So we can give you a look at the motor, the VRP supercharger, and that's where we're headed with this one. This is the M113 out of the SL55 that we had as a donor car. So our intention is to use the brakes, motor. We're going to upgrade it to a VRP supercharger. We'll be building headers, exhaust. So we'll be able to dial and package that in really nice. This is the subframe out of the SL, so we intend to put this under the back of the car. When I did my EVO 2, I used an SL 600 subframe, so we know this is going to work. So we just got to get it in there and make it look like it belongs. So if you want to follow along this project, we're going to try to be as diligent as we can and do a whole build series. So like, subscribe, check out our YouTube channel, and follow along and see how it goes.